We have three areas of metrology. The first one we call it scientific metrology. The second one we call is legal metrology. The third one we call industrial metrology. As we know, in our digital world now, so metrology is also going into a digitalization process. So before we can do AI in metrology, the first thing that we have to do is we have to make sure that everything is already digitalized. The training data need to be filtered or need to be verified before it can be. We need to ensure that a high quality trained data is only being used to fit in or to train the AI. Similar in metrology as well. So the trained data shall be traceable to the SI unit, shall be verified. It is really accurate data before it can be used to train AI related measuring instrument for generating the result. There is a project what we call digital calibration certificate at the international level. So they are now looking into the standardized form of digital calibration certificate. So currently the digital calibration certificate is being the standard form is yet being finalized, but already being used by the industry. Because why? Because they just can use within their internal organization. Okay, what is digital calibration certificate actually? So digital calibration certificate is not the PDF of the calibration certificate. The PDF of the calibration certificate, we call it electronic certificate. So digital certificate is actually machine readable certificate. We should have a standard form of digital, how to convey, how to transfer one information, the parameter, the number of decimal, the uncertainty. So how we can display this, we can standardize this form. So they are using the XML, and then as you know, this XML also, they should have some sort of standardized sequence or standardized how to represent something inside the XML. So everybody can issue XML, but we should have a standardized XML in order for everybody, every machine to be able to read and interpret the certificate. So one of the component that is being developed now is the digital calibration certificate and also digital conformity certificate, digital certificate of conformity (DCOC), and also we have also smart standard. So what is the end goal of this? It is actually automation, and then this automation will be powered by AI in the future. Basically, AI can help to handle, to assist metrologists to really look and analyze this big data and then do the conclusion on behalf of the metrologists. Here in Asia Pacific, we have two regional metrology organizations. One regional metrology organization we call APMP, Asia Pacific Metrology Program. Another one is APLMF, Asia Pacific Legal Metrology Forum. For example, in APMP, they started to form one working group on digitalization. We call it Digitalization Focus Group in APMP. So consists of few countries, India, Australia, New Zealand, and then they are focusing how does the digitalization affect, or we can adopt the digitalization into the metrology community within the Asia Pacific. And then last year only, they start to form in APLMF one working group, digitalization working group, and then I was appointed as the chair of the what we call sub-working group on digitalization. As I mentioned, in our region, digitalization in metrology is quite behind compared to the western part. So what we are doing now is we are trying to give training, seminar, and then whatever technologies we try to bring them from our western counterpart, bring into our Asia Pacific region. So this AI is actually quite far from current situation. We have one international organization, we call it OIML. So we have regional organization in metrology. We have one international also organization in metrology, which the members are from all over the world. So as I mentioned, we have scientific metrology, we have legal metrology. So regional wise, we have two organizations. One cater for scientific metrology, another one cater for legal metrology. ASEAN wise also, we have two different groups under ASEAN. So first one we call ASEAN EGM, Expert Group in Metrology, and then another one is we call ASEAN WG3, Working Group 3.